everyone, today we are at the Cape May Lewes Ferry terminal and we are on the Cape May side and we're going to take a nice ferry boat ride over to the Lewes side. You can easily get your tickets online, and when you walk into the lobby you'll see a help and ticket counter to the left, and you'll also see that there is a gift shop and cafe, so you can get a cup of coffee, hot tea, breakfast sandwiches, and they also have small tables, booths actually, that you can sit at and enjoy if you get there early enough, and that's what we did today. Or you can sit outside if you get there early enough and just enjoy being there, the calmness, enjoy breakfast, coffee, and we've definitely done that also without even riding the ferry boat. Cape May Lewes Ferry also has sailings 365 days a year. Now, obviously, those really depend on weather, and they notify everyone who needs to be notified if you already have reservations, and they put it on social media if they are unable to sail. Each terminal at Cape May side and Lewes side, they both have dining options, restaurants, bars, snacks. So there's something there that you can eat before or after you ride the ferry boat, or just go to have a good time and watch the ferry boats and look at the ocean. It is not uncommon for surfers to be out there to try to catch a wave. Unfortunately, they did not catch this one, but it was fun watching them. The views you get from the ferry boat are absolutely beautiful, and we just love to sit there and watch. That's it. That is very calming, it's enjoyable, even my boys like it. It's just nice to sit, relax, and watch and take in all the views. They do offer lots of seating outside. However, if you want to sit inside for whatever reason, it's raining, it's cold, you just feel like sitting inside, there are a ton of seats inside as well. There is a small area where you can get snacks, drinks, coffee. They do have a very small selection of other foods like chicken fingers that you can have lunch or dinner on the ferry boat. We've actually have done both. So something quick and easy, enough offerings. My kids found stuff they liked. It was perfect. And they have a gift shop. I think this was my boy's favorite part, going in the gift shop and picking out a toy. I like the ornaments to hang on a tree. In addition to the beautiful views, it can be a bit rocky on the ferry boat. Just make sure you prepare accordingly. That's what I have to do on some of these days. As you can see, it does definitely get a little rough. Additional information you should be aware of is that the ferry boat ride one way is about an hour and a half. So if you do round trip, that's about 3 hours. Pets are allowed on the ferry boat, however, they are not allowed to go inside. They have to stay outside. They are handicap accessible with limitations, so be sure to check out their website or call for additional information. Really hope you enjoyed sailing with me today. If you've been on the ferry boat, let me know your experience. I'm curious. Did you like it? Was it okay? Give us all the details. And don't forget to subscribe below. Be sure to check out our website at www.familyreststops.com.